Hello, I can present to the teachers, interested teachers, to teach the heat waves and climate change in their classes for different students, for different ages, and for different lessons. We provide you with some tools, lesson plans, scenarios, how you can integrate the heat waves teaching in your lessons. We give you informations about the 5 modules following the structure of the students course, and for each one we will give some lesson plan and scenarios how you can teach this. For the first module, the heat waves and the climate change, we would like you to explain to your students the basic scientific concepts behind the climate change and heat waves, and to analyze some data about the increasing severity and frequency of the heat waves. The first for the first modules, we provide you or propose you 2 different ways to teach. First, to teach the module complete in one lesson for 60 minutes. And for that, we give you the free lesson plan, the lesson plan 1, a teaching scenario for lesson plan 1, then 2 and 3. And there in each lesson plan, you can see in different way how you can start your teaching, how you warm up, and which exercises you can propose to your students to pass through all the topics of the module 1. Or you can teach the module 1 in 3 separate lessons following the 3 separate subjects of the modules, like we present you in the lesson plan 4 or 5 or 6. You can adapt your teaching to the different students, different ages of your students. For the younger one, you can teach more simple with the basic concept, or with the older one, you can go deeper in the scientific concepts. Then we provide you with some key concepts, and this is an interactive page. They are exactly, you can go through this each one, and then you can find informations about the key concept which are used when you teach the module 1. Which material you need for your teaching lesson depends how do you plan, what you have to prepare before you go in your classes and you can teach. But the basic tool, what we propose and what we provide you, it's our platform, heatwaves-project.eu, where you can find all courses, and all our teaching scenarios are following the platform of the students course. Okay, then module 1, it's about the heat waves in urban environment. We provide again a single lesson. You can teach the full module in a single lesson for 60 minutes, the lesson 1, or for lesson 2 and 3 for 90 minutes. We are into the module 2. I will don't pass through each lesson plan. I will let you teachers go and explore and choose the one who is suitable to your teaching methods or your teaching profile, and to your students, of course. The module 2, as I said, we provide a single lesson for 60 or 90 minutes because the module is more complex and has more content, or 3 separate lesson, each lesson for 60 minutes. And then for that, we propose you 6 lesson plan. Again, each one is with different methods and media and different teaching scenario, what you can choose as you like and as you feel it's more adequate for your trainees and for your classes. And then we provide again with the key concept. Again, or you can go through with the mouse through each one, and you can find the definition and some other informations about all the concept. For the module 3, climate resilience, responding to the heat waves, we have the introduction, which we provide a framework for climate resilience and the response to heat waves in the secondary school. And you can see the specific goal, what your students will be able to do after you teach them. And then you can teach the module 3 in 6 separate lessons, following the lesson plan 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6 in different formats and with different tools. And like before, you can see the key concepts. You can go through this and you can learn this for yourself or to inform yourself first and then inform also your students about that. Then we can go to the module 4. All modules are almost on the same way. You can see the introduction or you can see the lesson plan for these modules. You can see for each lesson plan has more activities, and we propose a time. You can adapt the time and the information you provide in one module following the time you have in your classes and the students, and how deep you would like to go in this topic with your students. Okay, then for the module 4, we have a 4-lesson plan, and the module 5, mostly about the game, personal and community action for the sustainability. And there you can equip your students with carbon footprint information and grease policies around the world. The module has 2 lesson plan and the key concept again, and you can go and to learn and to provide to your teachers also the links to your students, the links. And there you can see also like a material, we have our platform and we have the heat wave game, what my colleague introduced, and you can use for each level of students, and in each classes you would like to provide the lessons. Okay, with all those modules, I hope you will find the interesting scenarios and you can choose which one you feel it's more accurate for your teaching. You can provide and develop to your students the competencies or the skills you would like to do that. Thank you.